Hi, Sharon Downey here with another 2-minute tip. This week it's about beauty tips for savvy seniors. Yeehaw! We are no longer in the need to look like a woman in her productive years. But just because we are over the hill by the fashion industry standards doesn't mean we have to be giving up being vibrant, beautiful, intelligent, charming, and all the things that go with it. In fact, we've most likely never been better in some ways. Just look at Meryl Streep in The Devil Wears Prada, or Helen Mirren in, well, anything. And of course, they have their specialists helping them to achieve their Hollywood aging look. But with some professional techniques, commitment, and practice, we can achieve much the same for ourselves. So, here are some practical and I hope amusing beauty tips to keep your inner goddess glowing right through to that centurion stage and beyond. Number 1 on the hit parade, and we all know what it is: what you think shows on your face. But it's hard for good thoughts to get past those age spots, rosacea, dark circles, and sun-dried skin to show up in your smile. And just because we're over 21, the sun doesn't care and it doesn't even know. So making use of that sunblock is a must, unless you want your age spots to continue developing at warp speed. Makeup, 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 oy vey. There are so many YouTubers, fashion gurus, magazines telling us to buy this, buy that, those makeup products, this skincare stuff, hairstyling aids, tools, equipment, and. It makes a dame want to throw on her hat and hide at the beach with a large cooler and someone serving you grapes. The problem is, it's all a big lie. It doesn't have to be this way. Actually, making ourselves look better, resulting in feeling better, can be a simple, streamlined, easy, cheap and cheerful, and effective affair. Breaking it down into simple yet effective makeup, hairstyling, and wardrobe makes it easy to address each aspect with confidence. And my channel has dedicated itself to this approach because we all have so many other things in life to attend to. Yet it's a proven fact that when we look our best, we feel our best. And when we bring our best selves to our endeavors, well, the success bell just keeps ringing louder and better. Do yourself a favor if you're confused and turn to the makeup playlist on this channel for all kinds of helpful tutorials. And I recommend highly starting with the 4 cornerstones of great makeup to get you going. Simply put, even skin tone, well-shaped brows, strengthened lashes or lash line, and corrected lips should only take 5 to 7 minutes to create, with streamlined, excellent products that can make a well-presented look for any situation. Next is hair, or lack thereof, for some of us as we age. It can be harrowing, or with some tried and true tips, tools, well-researched enhancements, they can solve those issues. Check my hairstyling and hair extensions playlists for all kinds of honest and practical ways to bring back or update your crowning glory. And in putting it all together, great makeup and hair only needs a well-suited and well-fitted wardrobe that maximizes your assets, minimizes your problem areas, and balances your overall look with good fit and fabric to complete your savvy senior style. And to round out your complete look, check out my wardrobe styling and management playlist. So, to sum it up, putting our best selves forward doesn't have to be mysterious, time-consuming, or expensive. It does require, however, some know-how, commitment, and practice, resulting in increased healthy self-confidence, acceptance, and esteem, something every woman at every age deserves. And for a closed group for further discussion about demystifying beauty and confident aging, join us at Going Grey and Lovin' It on Facebook. And for tips that work for every age, join my Sharon Danley beauty page on Facebook. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe, clicking the notification bell too. Thank you, and stay tuned for more tutorials and live streams, demystifying beauty and sharing practical, effective tips, tricks, and techniques for you and your inner savvy senior. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.